In this video, we will demonstrate a simple yet very realistic IT equipment loading scenario commonly undertaken by IT groups. The purpose of this loading scenario is to demonstrate that each and every IT device that is deployed in your data center will affect the data center environment itself. The virtual facility is a predictive three-dimensional virtual representation of your physical data center. By using the virtual facility, the environmental impact of any change in the data center, whether it's from the IT equipment or facility, can be predicted and evaluated prior to physical implementation of the change. In this example, the IT group is responsible for deploying two IT devices in the data center, a fully loaded blade chassis and a large network switch. Thermal and airflow patterns as well as local cooling utilizations will differ depending on the location of any installation. For this deployment example, the blade chassis has 10 possible deployment positions and the switch has 2, totaling 20 different IT deployment combinations. The first possible switch location is on the empty patch frame at the end of the row populated with blade chassis. The second deployment option for the switch is at the end of the row populated with various servers. Taking a closer look at the row populated with blade chassis, we can see the 10 possible positions for the new chassis to be installed. In total, there are 20 possible combinations for this particular IT equipment deployment pair. The simulation results of the 20 different models are shown by colouring each piece of IT equipment based on the recommended ASHRAE inlet temperature. Equipment coloured green is in the ASHRAE recommended temperature range, orange is in the allowable range, and red is outside of the ASHRAE allowable range. Demonstrated by the simulation results, changing the location of the blade chassis and network switch has an impact on the data center environment as well as on the previously installed IT equipment. This accurate simulation of a physical change prior to its application in the physical data center is invaluable. By use of the virtual facility, the IT group can make the best deployment decision with respect to the data center environment. This example has predicted case 1.9 as the best option. As you can see, this is the only scenario out of 20 that resulted in 0 IT equipment outside of the ASHRAE allowable temperature ranges. Only with predictive analysis using the virtual facility can you know the best result.